Hi, let me show you how to use the directional antenna. The monitoring receiver itself has different working modes. It can work with a series of directional antennas to find the rough direction of the interference. In horizontal scan mode, the screen can display the signal spectrum and amplitude. There are two cables connecting to the directional antenna. This serial antenna can cover from 9 kHz to 8 GHz with 4 frequency bands. The internal electric compass will tell you the pointing direction of the antenna. It's very easy to install the antenna to the handheld bracket, and it also can be easily installed to a common camera tripod. We use this antenna and the signal generator to demo the direction finding process. This horn antenna is pointing to the receiver. We can see the frequency is set to 499 MHz and the power level is 20 dBm. Now we use the directional antenna to find the signal's direction. The receiver is in H-scan mode. We double-click the button to clean the current azimuth information. We hold the antenna and turn around slowly. We can see from the screen, the blue triangle arrow is the antenna compass direction. The yellow line points to the maximum amplitude of the signal. We can see from the screen, the interference azimuth is at 67 degrees. Now, we use this configuration to listen to the radio. We set the working mode to fixed frequency mode, FFM, and we can see there are many FM radio signals in this area. We set the bandwidth to 120 kHz and turn on the audio. Then we can hear the sound. The FM radio is at 104.9 MHz. We can use our finger to change the horizontal scale and drag the waveform to change the frequency band. We can drag specific FM radio to the center frequency and listen to it. The received FM radio sound is not very good because the antenna's working frequency is from 200 MHz to 500 MHz. That's all. Thanks for watching.
Look out on a summer's day with eyes that know the darkness in my soul.